Hi everybody, welcome to my weekly update video. I'm a little later than usual, but I'll explain why in a minute. So yeah, this is Sunday and I'm doing my weekly update video. So in my last video I mentioned that I would be in London this week for a training course with work. Unfortunately that got cancelled and I was doing something else this week, which actually turned out to be a good thing because there was an event in Glasgow this week called the Barclays AI Frenzy that a colleague was supposed to speak at, and unfortunately due to family commitment she had to pull out, so I stepped in her place. The topic was artificial intelligence, AI, and those that know me will know that's not necessarily something that I know deep down and I'm fluent in talking about, but I gemmed up and I went along, and it was a really great event actually. There was about 50 people in the audience and it was a great mix from students from University of Strathclyde, so the event was hosted by the university. So there were some students there, there were some people that work in the industry, we had lawyers in the audience as well. A good variety of people were there, and it was a great mix. It was definitely outside my comfort zone, but I really enjoyed it, and it was a different kind of event than I'm used to going to. Not solely focused on technology, but also the ethics of the whole topic around artificial intelligence and potentially machine learning as well. And I learned some really good stuff. One of the other speakers was from, we looked into healthcare around artificial intelligence and was sharing some stats around that. And there was other people involved in actually doing artificial intelligence within their day job and trying to help companies utilise it to make themselves more efficient. So yeah, it was a really great event, so do look out for them if they ever appear again in Glasgow. I think they've been held previously in Edinburgh, but that was the first one in Glasgow, so hopefully given the success of it there'll be more, and I'll definitely look out for them and be retweeting about that if I see anything in the future about them. So that was the first kind of event that I was doing this week. So the other event I was talking at this week was Thesis Scotland. You might be familiar with it as it was previously called SQL GLA, and this is the third year it's been hosted in Glasgow, and each year the venues got bigger and the attendance has got bigger and the speaker pools got bigger. So yeah, this is my second year at speaking, and I was speaking about something different again than I usually speak about, and this was totally a kind of personal development career type talk that I was doing, and it was entitled Striking the Right Balance While Staying Relevant. So during the talk I was trying to share some of the things and the techniques and the apps that I use in order to try and get my schedule sorted and try and manage all my commitments, as well as staying sane and staying up to date with everything that happens in the IT world that we live in nowadays. I think it was the first time I've delivered that session, and given the level of participation afterwards, questions and interactions between other audience members, I think it went down really well. So it's one I'm going to be looking at presenting to in other conferences, and there's definitely some things I'll improve on, some things I'll take out of the session and some things I'll add in, because like I say, there was great participation after the session or during in the Q&A type thing part of the session. So there's some things I'll be including in the future and elaborating on and trying to share. And I think that's a great thing about presenting. I can share my knowledge, but equally the audience shares back, and hopefully I can build on the session and make it better in the future as well. I'm looking forward to seeing the official feedback from the event to see how well it was received, but fingers crossed it looks like it was well received. So yeah, that was good fun. So I think that's really been my week, to be honest, preparing for those sessions and attending those sessions. So I was there all day on Friday at Data Scotland, and it was a really good day. There was lots of good speakers there, and I attended a few sessions. I learned some things actually, because again, data, SQL, that kind of world is not something that I spend a lot of time in my day job. So it was really good to actually attend the sessions, and there was some stuff that I've learned and I'm going to go away on and have a wee deeper look at. So yeah, it was really good. Got to see some people that I haven't seen for a while, and it was also held in the University of Scotland, Strathclyde, and it was a great venue actually, so hopefully there'll be more events I'll be able to attend at that venue as well. I'm going to make this video slightly short and sweet this week. I'm not feeling great. I woke up this morning with a sore throat and a bit of stuffiness in my throat, so I'm not feeling the greatest. My brain's a bit muddled. I've had to postpone some DIY around the house because I'm not feeling great and just trying to remember to take care of myself. So I'm having a chill day. I've been watching Netflix and just trying to keep hydrated and take some paracetamol to try and feel better. So I'm just remembering that it's important to take that downtime and try and recharge when I need to. So yeah, I'm not sure what the week ahead looks like. I think I need to prepare for my Win Ops session that I'm delivering on the 24th of September. So that's a couple of weeks away. But I'm really looking forward to that. There's some great speaker lineup. There's lots of international speakers. So yeah, that should be a great event. So next week I'll be doing some prep around that and seeing what the week unfolds. So yeah, a short and sweet video today, people, but hopefully we'll catch up next week and I'll have a longer and better update, and hopefully I'll be feeling better and I've shifted this cold. So yeah, thank you. Hope you're having a great weekend, and I'll see you in next week.